Hey everyone, welcome to the Tech with Dimitar. In this video we will see how we can make a horizontal line with the text in the middle. But before we go into a video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and make this channel grow, because I will continue make every day a single video for the most common questions people have in their front-end journey to become a front-end developer. Now let's jump to our video. So we are in our Visual Studio Code. I have prepared my HTML page with some head and body. And first thing first, let's create our title. For this example, I'll use H3 title. Now, what we have in this title, let's write one span because we'll need this span. Okay, we have our span and H3 title, and let's write inside something in the span. Let's be test in the center. Let's just save it, and here I write just one paragraph just to show some information. Now we have our title, we have our paragraph, we have our span. Let's create some style. I will actually do the style in the head. I also have a style CSS, but it will not be many styling, so let's do it in the head. First, let's make the style tag, and inside this style tag, let's first select the H3 tag. We select it like this. If it's text, we put one period or hashtag if it's ID. Now inside this H3, let's write some weight, which will be 100%. The next thing we will do is basically text align to be in center. Okay, the next thing will be border bottom, which will be 1 pixel. And let's make it solid, and let's make it black, which will be with 6 zeros with the black color. One line height, which will be 0.1 m, and let's create some basic margins, which will be from top and the bottom. Let's put it 20 pixels, 0 pixels, and 20 pixels. Let's just save it. Okay, we have our H3. Let's see what happened in the browser. Let's refresh. Okay, we have our text in the center, but basically the line just cut this text, and this is our paragraph, just some text here. So let's back to our code. Let's create our span, which will separate our text from this line. Again, H3, because in H3 tag is the span. We will create it like this, span. This basically means the H3 is some kind of parent of the span, because basically the span is inside the H3. And let's create background, but not color, just background. And let's make it white, this background, which is with F. Okay, what happened? 6 Fs, not 7. Okay, and let's make padding, which will be from top and the bottom lower pixels. If you write, I mean 0 pixels, sorry, it's not lower pixels, no, it's on Bulgarian 0. From top and the bottom will be 0 pixels. If you write 0, you don't need to add pixels, but if you write any other numbers, you have to add the pixels after the number. And here 10 pixels. Let's save it and let's see what happened in the browser. Okay, let's refresh, and here we go. We have our text in the center and yeah, the paragraph here with some text. Let's basically inspect it and let's check, is this actually good for responsive? Just click F12 to open your console and let's play with the responsive. I think it's perfect. So yeah, we have our text in the center. You can check it even for iPhone 5. It's cool. How cool. So this is basically how we can actually make our text in the center with the line from both sides. I think this will be for this video. If you like, hit the like button, subscribe for more of this type of content videos. I hope you enjoy it and see you in the next video.